What are polymers? Polymers are macromolecules formed by the join of small molecules called monomers. A polymer is a thread as many coins perforate in the middle. At the end we get a string of coins, where the coins will monomers and chains will be coins, will be the polymer. The basic part of a polymer are monomers. The monomers are chemical repeating units along the chain of a polymer. For example, polyethylene monomer is ethylene, which is repeated for a long time entire chain. Start.
Polyethylene terephthalate,
There are
commonly
two
known
types
as
of
PET,
polymers,
is a
which are
thermoplastic
natural and
polymer
synthetic.
resin of the polyester family.
And here
Among
we
its
can
most
see the
important
differences
characteristics are
and different examples
that it is
between natural
clear
and
and it
synthetic
represents
polymers.
an excellent barrier to
Let's
oxygen,
start
water,
talking
and
about
carbon
natural
dioxide.
polymers.
It has high impact.
Natural polymers occur in nature and can be extracted. They are often water-based. Natural polymers include RNA and DNA that are important in genes and life processes.
Cotton is a natural polymer or cellulose. Cellulose is what makes the fibers in cotton, making it possible to twist it into threads and then weave it into cloth.
Now let's talk about the synthetic polymers. Synthetic polymers are human-made polymers, and they are classified in four categories, which are thermoplastics, thermosets, elastomers, and synthetic fibers. It is important to note that the backbones of common synthetic polymers are made up of carbon-carbon bonds.
Polyethylene terephthalate, commonly known as PET, is a thermoplastic polymer resin of the polyester family. Among its most important characteristics are that it is clear and it represents an excellent barrier to oxygen, water, and carbon dioxide. It has high impact capability and is shatter resistant. It also has excellent resistance to most solvents and a capability for hot fillings. Because of these characteristics, it is commonly used in synthetic fibers. In fact, almost 60% of PET's production is used for this, while 30% of PET's global production is used for making bottles. Other PET uses include thermoforming applications and engineering resins, often in combination with glass fiber.
Now that we have all this information, let's summarize what we need to know. Polymers are molecules that consist of a long repeating chain of smaller units called monomers. Actually, poly means many, so polymer means many monomers. Sometimes polymers are also known as macromolecules or large-sized molecules. You may be asking yourself, what's a monomer? A monomer is a molecule that is able to bond in long chains. This linking up of monomers is called polymerization. A polymer can be made up of thousands of monomers. Usually polymers are organic, but not necessarily. They have the highest molecular weight among any molecules and may consist of billions of atoms. For example, human DNA is a polymer with over 20 billion constituent atoms. They are the largest and most diverse class of known molecules and even include plastics. Polymers are not always straight chains of regular repeating monomers. Sometimes they consist of chains of varying length or even chains that branch in multiple directions. Most polymers are organic, employing carbon bonds as their backbone. Others use silicon. Because of their great diversity, there are many that have yet to be discovered, offering a fruitful field for further research and development. Well, with this, we come to an end. We hope you have learned a lot about polymers and you have enjoyed this video.